Hey, it's Isaac with Release Cleaner, and we're here today to try out a 40-to-1 dilution of Release on a garage door. We got some general dirt and dust here on the outside, so we're gonna go ahead and spray some Release on. Get it nice and saturated so it can associate itself with the soil. Right here, you can already see it kind of running down. That's Release associating itself with the soil. Looks like some dirt in this case. But we're gonna let that sit on there for just a second before we wipe it off. Soils like this might require some agitation, so we're gonna go ahead and kind of scrub a little bit here and give it some agitation. Just light pressure. Boy, look at that difference right there already. You can see the dirt just coming right off. Look at the difference between these two panels right here. Here's your dirt line and here's what was cleaned with Release.